Okay, we're on our way to Crystal Creek Falls. And it's a popular spot that a lot of people and tourists go to here in Shasta County.
It's for tourists, drunk teenagers, and hikers.
So
We're in the middle of all of them.
So I'll have more videos and pictures of that. It's on the same road as the camp. Okay, so the trail goes from Cement to this little tiny trail. It's not much of a hike, it's just a road and then some little tiny, it's steep here. I mean, it wouldn't be for someone that doesn't walk very well, but it's just a small little dirt trail. And then, voila! You have the falls. So beautiful.
I think off the rock.
Yeah? There you are.
Yeah, I heard the first one and the second one.
So Kyron went up there, but there is naked people. And, yeah. We can skip that, huh? Jalen fell in. Are you alright?
No! I slid in the water!
Oh no!
It was cutting out.
You gonna jump in?
I actually want to do that again.
Good. Hurry up.
I'm just scared. From the blood. Oh god. That's scary.
Should not done good. What?
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Take a video.
I am. And there she goes.
There. That looks like it. Oh no, come on! Oh yeah, this one's cool.
Oh, that is pretty.
Hard to get to this. Sweetheart, come over here.
What? Oh, it's the barbecue. What? Okay. Huh?
How do we get back up from here?
Same way we came.
Good. Good.
We're still going down the creek. As you can see, if you're able to venture down the creek, there's lots and lots of Beautiful landscape. But I'm wearing flip-flops, so my advice to you is to wear shoes.
Oh, I see.
The fish. Look how clear that water is. Well, crystal clear.
I like that tree.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
Hey, Dad.
Kyron's back there trying to find gold. My precious gold. Here he comes. Look at that old man. Rock hot. So Candace, what do you got in your pocket?
Got new shoes.
That's funny.
My size too. Exactly.
So what's your review on the Crystal Creek Falls?
There's falls.
Do you like them? Is it worth it to walk up here? It's not that long of a walk, but yeah.
Climb all the way to the top.
Oh,
What'd you
yeah.
see up there?
Yeah, what did you see up there, Kyron?
Fucking X-rated shit.
Okay, Candace, what do you think?
Oh no, I got a brand new pair of shoes.
She's loving it.
It's a lot like the mall,
My
except it's
turn.
outdoors.
Okay, so
It's like an outdoors mall here.
pretty much too much mosquitoes. Need something for you to walk, like something you can sit on, then go, and then and never. Oh,
Someone's already caught that one. He's missing a tail.
you will get come here.
It took me a second to realize he was missing his thumb. What's a mini
Oh,
lizard?
he's on my foot.
I crawled right into her hand.
Shit, again.
Because I'm missing a tail from the last person.
He's sleeping.
You shall come with me.
No, set him down. This is
No.
his home.
Okay, Lewis, what's your review?
It was pretty cool. Did some rock hopping.
Don't be rude, Jalen.
It's nice out here. I recommend coming later in the day. There's not as many people. Come here throughout the day. It's full.
Okay, so
No, Jalen, you're acting like a little princess.
okay. It's actually really fun. The walk it really ain't that long, and the water's super cold. If you go in it, it would be really good when you walk. Feels really good.
So,
Overall,
a
it's fun.
10, an 8.
A 10.
I'd give it an 8 because it ain't much of a hike. 7, 8. It's
I'll
pretty
give
though.
it a 10 because of the prettiness. The 10.
All right, that's
The
our
walk.
review. Just do it, right? Just do it. A family that plays together stays together. Okay, we're on our way to Crystal Creek Falls. And, it's a popular spot. So, so I'll have more videos. It's on the same road as the camp. Okay, so the trail goes from Cement to this little tiny trail. It's not much of a hike, it's just a road and then some little tiny, it's steep here. It's really steep for someone that doesn't walk very well, but it's a small little dirt trail. And then, voila! You have the falls. So beautiful. Yeah. Jalen fell in. Are you alright?
No! I slid in the water!
Oh no!
It was fun though. It was fun.
You gonna jump in?
I actually want to do that again.
Good. Hurry up.
I'm just scared. From the bus. Oh gosh. That's scary.
She's not gonna do it. What?
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Take a video.
I am. And there she goes.
There. That looks like it. Oh no, come on. Oh yeah, this one's cool.